Okay, so right now I want to do a very interesting study. I've continued to realize the power of highs or lows of the day and big round numbers, so to speak. So I'm going to travel through several pairs in speaking about this. So this is GBPSD. This is Monday. Look at this. They pushed down when they cleared the law of Asia. They created this law of the day, leading to a very nice trade. Sorry, this is GBP-JPY. So this is the first example. Well, we must wait for them to clear lows or highs. Another example is this one. They cleared these lows here, creating law of the day and a very nice trade. Again here. Now, okay, here, where is law of Asia? Now, okay, here. So here, if okay, a very good trade would have been waiting for them to come here. I wouldn't be comfortable to buy this, although it was a good opportunity. It was before London, and I normally don't trade before London, so this was not an opportunity for me. So I would pass this. Although I know that they had. Where is the law of Asia created? I think it's here. It's not visible, but it was here. It was, I mean, price sort of marginally cleared the law today. But now look at this. This clearance is not strong. So you just pass. You shouldn't trade every day. And then here, this is where it is very, very interesting because you have clearance of high of the day. So here, up to 745, we are not sure what to do. And then here, they break at 10 o'clock. They are broken above this big round number 153. Now, once we have this big round number above us, we know for sure that it is a potential resistance. Okay, we know it is a potential resistance because it's a big round number. In most cases, it will hold the price. So once you have this healthy candle above a big round number, when you have cleared above the high Asian high, you know that now you're going to create high of the day. Okay, you're going to create. So once price clears high of Asia and breaks above 153, which is a big round number, it is a strong resistance, you know for sure that we are going to create high of the day. So you just wait. You wait. Okay, let me start here. When you saw them, going up without creating a law of the day in a trending market, they didn't give you an opportunity to buy here. They didn't create law of the day, a clear law of the day during London. Once you see that, you should start to detect possibility of a selling opportunity. Okay, so from here you would be getting the sell, and of course this was Wednesday. We should be preparing to sell from here, and then we come here. They don't create law of the day, but they break very strongly above 153. You know that they have not created a law of the day. They are going to create high of the day. We are going to have a sell. We are going to have to sell here. Now see what happened. Now this is 153, and this is 153.25 quarterly. So we would be anticipating to sell off this area here. Okay, we got this. This would be a nice opportunity to sell, of course, although we would have lost it because they came back up to hit to clear stops again, which is almost natural because when the market is turning around, it may be difficult for. There's a lot of them coming back to collect more liquidity. Let me see how we could have got this entry without having our stop losses touched. Let me highlight this area here, and then let me go to H4. Okay, looking left, what do I see? Let me see here. We have this. It's right we have this zone here. This is very interesting, guys. You have this area here. Okay, this is where you should put your stop loss. Let me go back to 15-minute time frame. Yeah, this is where you should put your stop loss. You know, they can't touch it. So once they came up, once they broke this area, we should have identified this 4-hour supply zone, which is above level 153. And once they broke high of the day, we knew that they are going to, very likely, because if the market is bearish, they'll break highs. They'll hit the highs. When the market is bullish, they'll hit the lows. So once you see them changing from hitting the lows to hitting the highs, you know that very possibly we are going to turn around. So look at this. This is okay now, and they really took time so as to shake traders off. They really took a lot of time in showing their direction. This is 10 o'clock. They are tempting you to buy because you see this bullish very bullish candle here, and then so you buy this against this massive vol here. Okay, now look at what happened. So for example, I could have sold it here and put my stop loss here. That would be 27 pips. Okay, and then allow the trade to run. But this would be a very good trade. So why would we sell here? We would sell because, one, we have this big round number above price. Two, during London, they have not touched, they have not hit lows of the day. Instead, they have broken this area. So from London, we know we are getting prepared to see high of the day created, and sure, it was created here, leading to a very nice trade. And then on Friday now, based on what happened on Thursday, okay, again we have 153. It is potential resistance again, and again here this is not a break of low of the day, but then this is 9:45. At 10:15 here you have a clear break of high of the day. I mean Asian high, creating high of the day in this strong resistance, giving you a very nice opportunity. That is how simple we can trade if we observe simple things. If you ask me about tomorrow, this is 152.50, so we still have 153 as our potential resistance, and we have this nice supply zone here at this 153 area. So I would be looking to sell once they come here, and I will sell for how many pips? Let me see. Yeah, there's a potential to make a lot of pips. I'll sell for 91, 92 pips. Okay, that will happen. I'm expecting this trade to happen because, okay, look at this heavy pull down, and then price is broken below this moving average. This is a 20-period moving average in 4-hour time frame. So I'm expecting a trade in this area here. And this is, mind you, this is level 50. This is level 75. So price is held between level 50 and level 75. If we get a sell here, I'll hold it for 95 pips. Yeah, so this is going to be another very, very, very powerful trade indeed. Okay, let me go to another pair. Now I'll go to GBPUSD and do the same study. This is GBPUSD. It is very similar because see what happened on Monday. They broke, I mean, they broke low of the day. I don't like this break. It is not strong enough. On Tuesday, you had a very clear break below the low of the day, and you have 1.38 as your potential support. And then on Wednesday, again, they broke below the low of the day. So before they break below the high or the low of the day, don't do anything. You wait. Once they break the low or the high, you then start to look for a trade. Of course, before doing that, you have your bias. For example, in this case, you know that we are expecting bullish move, okay? So you have your bias, and then you wait. Once they break low of the day, for example, here, our bias was long. when they broke law of the day, law of Asia, sorry, when they broke law of Asia, we knew it confirmed our bias that we're going to have a bullish day. Of course, I took this trade. I took it and lost about, when I took it for the first time, I bought, let me see which candle I bought. Let me go to 15-minute time frame. It's important to learn. Here, yeah, I bought this candle. I bought this bullish candle and I put my stop loss somewhere here. I lost $500 here. And then I re-entered and I got all my money back and made $800 more. So it was a very good day for me this day here. So if you watch well, if you are attentive, the market maker will show you what they're intending to do always. Again, on Thursday, we didn't see break of low of the day. This was our potential support. It was not touched. Instead, they broke high of the day. When you see that, when you see them changing their normal attitude during the week, get prepared to change your bias. So in this case, we had them hitting the highs, creating low of the high of the day here. Okay, creating high of the day. Let me again go to the higher time frame to see if there was strong resistance in this area, and it was there. Of course, always market makers have nothing to hide from a peeled eye. 15-minute time frame. Look at this. So if I sold here, this is where I put my stop loss. Only 16 pips, and I'll be safe, quite safe. Okay. So this is what happened. And then of course, on Friday, they have not. This is not a break of low of the day. I can't say this is a break, but this one is. I want it to be a significant break. I want to see a price closing beyond the Asian high, like here. That is where I'm sure that we have broken about. We're going to create high of the day, and we did create it and dealing with a very nice trade. Ask me about tomorrow, I'll tell you that there's going to be a very good trade. This is 1.39. This is 1.3950, and there's a nice supply zone here. A rally base drop here is very nice. So I'll be expecting a trade of this level 50 here. Okay, going down, let me go to 30-minute time frame, going down to this area. So I'll be expecting a sell of about 148 pips in this pair. I think this zone is not strong enough to hold the price, but this one is. So, and there's a big round number. This is the 1.38, this is 1.39. So I'll be expecting a push from here for 143 pips. Let me go to a pair which I didn't watch very attentively last week. I just want to confirm if this thesis works with all pairs. Let me go to GBP CAD. Let me start from Monday. Okay, Monday. What happened on Monday? Now look at this. This is very interesting. Very interesting indeed. Because on Monday we didn't see break of low today. We did not. They pushed up. Okay, you don't do anything. Okay, you don't do anything, but you'd be anticipating to see a heavy fall. When you see them breaking the highs, be prepared to sell. Okay, have it in at the back of your mind that a heavy fall is coming. On Tuesday, there was this. It's nice, but there are better opportunities in other GBP pairs. As I said earlier, this is what I want to see. This is what I want to see. I want to see them breaking and spending some time below the Asian box. That's when I would say that they have broken below the low of the day. Okay, but this one is not a break for me, so I wouldn't worry about this at all. Okay, and then okay, this is a Tuesday, no trade for me. And then on Wednesday, you have this. You have them coming low coming low, but then look at how tricky this is. The structure is not that beautiful, and you have them coming down like this. This would probably be a losing trade for me, but because, okay, by the way, you have this strong resistance here. Okay, you have this strong resistance, and then you have them breaking low the day. So in these circumstances, you don't touch that. In fact, in GBP card, we had almost nothing during the week. But from here, when you see them just breaking the highs, you know that a sell is coming. Here now, okay, now look at this. Since we're expecting a sell from this area, and this is a strong resistance, we'd be expecting break of the high of the day. They didn't do that, they just fell down. So I think this is a strong way of trading. It's pure price action that anyone can use and make a lot of money from the markets. Okay, based on my little experience, this works very well in two pairs which I love the most, and the pairs are GBPUSD and GBPJPY. Please backtest that and let us continue to learn and grow together.